I'm at a racetrack, and that's the place where you find loud, fast machines. Now, these machines, apart from racing, are also used to set the benchmark when it comes to performance and agility for different categories of cars and bikes. Well, today, I'm with a machine that wants to set the benchmark when it comes to cars of its kind. Say hello to the all-new, all-electric Kia EV6. A EV6 has serious presence. It is big, sleek, and looks purposeful. It is based on a new form of its tiger face design style. The headlights themselves are pretty intelligent. It can in real time target portions of the lane ahead. This will allow the driver to keep them on high beam continuously without blinding drivers coming from the opposite side. A EV6 is so powerful that it can even, as an option, charge another electric vehicle in an extreme condition or your laptop in regular use. Front seats get ventilation and have a full recline option for resting when needed. In fact, even the rear seats have backrest adjustment. Coupled with a flat floor, it is comfortable for three. With this car, Kia has jumped straight to the deep end of the electric car business. In terms of benchmarking, it has taken nothing less than a Tesla Model Y. The battery is a 77.4 kilowatt per hour lithium-ion pack. With the twin motor setup, this affords it a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of just 5.2 seconds, when driven in sport mode, of course. A EV6 can be charged using both 400 volts and 800 volt systems. This is rather unique. The quickest that it can be charged from 10 to 80% is in 18 minutes. Fine print is that you will need a 350 kilowatt per hour fast charger for that, so roughly 90 to 120 minutes at a regular DC charger. The EV6 bodes well for Kia's electric car business. The first slot for India has already been sold out. At rupees 60 lakh onwards, it is an expensive piece of machinery, but nevertheless a fine one.